Everybody, got another beautiful car here from the Greg Graham C2 Corvette collection that he's liquidating here, and this one's a 66, totally sweet, pretty much all original. I think 69,611 verified miles showing on the odometer right now. It has a 327, originally was 300 horsepower. This one's been beefed up a little bit, up to like 350 horsepower specs, if you will, but it is the correct VIN number matching engine and the transmission, and then even the rear end is correct, with allegedly 308 gearing in there, but that was a little hard to read. But yeah, great original car, kind of been maintained as needed and restored, and just looks great. Well, let's see how this what this 327's got. You gotta love the sound of those side pipes on there. Of course, the car has air conditioning. It does have power steering. It does have four-wheel disc brakes as well. This one's got the power antenna and the knockoff wheels too. But man, the sound of that exhaust when you're just shifting through that 4-speed, it is something. I love it. Air conditioning does work. We got the window down because it's just so nice to hear that exhaust. I'm in love with this one. It seems like we've been driving them all week long, but this one has really got a real nice original feel to it. Everything's been redone on the underside, like the suspension and the steering and everything like that. So it does kind of got an original feel to it, but it's all done, and just really amazing vehicle. Come test drive it yourself. We welcome you. Contact our sales department first. They'll go ahead and be more than happy to arrange that for you. Our shop went through this car top to bottom. This one, like many of the others, was very dialed in. I know we did have to charge the air conditioning system. We replaced the heater control valve, and I believe it was the mechanism for the door opening or the window. I can't remember which one it was right now, but you can get all the details on our website. It was a very short list of things that we had to do to this one when inspecting. It was extremely dialed in, and it's ready to cruise. Don't forget, on this one, original 69,000 miles, which is just, I mean, that's amazing. Contact the sales department and go on the website. Maybe even think about clicking to buy it now. It's an amazing vehicle. Check out all the pictures, details, and full description on volocars.com.